The new IceCove portable air conditioner from Sunjoy is the perfect way to keep cool and comfortable wherever your adventures may take you. Lightweight and with a built-in carry handle, the IceCove is easy to transport and can be set up wherever a cooling breeze is needed. Powered via a standard wall outlet or compatible battery, the IceCove provides plenty of cold air on the go. Unlike competitors' lithium ternary batteries, the IceCove unit features a lithium iron phosphate battery, which is safer and more durable. Make your next camping trip extra cool with the IceCove portable air conditioner. It's great for cooling down furry family members too. It's also a perfect solution for home gyms, offices, or workshops. The battery has multiple outputs for recharging a variety of other devices and can be recharged by standard outlet, vehicle adapter, or a compatible solar panel. With the vehicle recharging adapter, you can charge the battery on the go, then set up the air conditioner to keep the interior of your car cool on hot days. Unlike most competitors, the IceCove portable air conditioner uses the R290 coolant, which complies with EU environmental standards. Stay cool this summer with IceCove.